Barcelona is a renowned travel destination for a plethora of reasons. Its stunningly well-preserved architectural history, the Mediterranean atmosphere, its rich and vibrant nightlife, and world-famous cuisine, it has it all. From exploring Gaudi's unique architecture to taking a stroll through the La Rambla to devouring tasty tapas, there is something for everyone in this vibrant metropolis. Barcelona also boasts good weather all year round, sandy beaches, and amazing outdoor festivals during the peak season. So if you're planning a trip to this Catalonian city, here's the ultimate guide to everything Barcelona. If you're thinking of taking a trip to Barcelona, you might be wondering what the best time to visit is. With so many things to see and do, it can be tough to narrow down your choices. Although there is never a bad time to travel to Barcelona, the months between April and June can be considered the best. With the pleasant temperatures, you can spend the day at the beaches, especially the popular La Barceloneta, try all water sports and attend all outdoor festivals and events. And if you're looking to travel on a budget, November to March is the ideal time. During this time, you can go sightseeing with fewer crowds. Another benefit is that you'll be able to enjoy the festive Christmas markets and New Year's Eve celebrations in Barcelona without having to battle hordes of people. Barcelona El Prat Airport is located 16 kilometers south of the city center and is a hub for many international and domestic flights. The airport has multiple terminals that are connected by a free shuttle bus service. Barcelona can also be reached by transport links from other regional airports, including Girona, Reus, and Lleida Alguaire. If you're arriving from the rest of Spain or France, Barcelona also offers many high-speed rail routes for commuting. In addition to this, there is an efficient network of suburban and regional trains. For many, Barcelona is Antoni Gaudi, constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what was possible in his time. Drawing inspiration from Neo-Gothic, Catalan medieval, Oriental, and Islamic architecture, Antoni Gaudi was a trailblazing architect whose unique style was defined by its avant-garde nature. In his later years, he increasingly explored his own personal style, culminating in the development of Catalan modernism. Gaudi's Barcelona is full of incredible architectural masterpieces that have been designated as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. This list includes some of his most famous works, such as Parc Güell, Palau Güell, Casa Mila, Casa Vicens, and of course the world-famous La Sagrada Familia. Take a walk along the expiatory temple of the Sagrada Familia, a church with one of the most unique and awe-inspiring architectural wonders in the world. Situated on a hill, Parc Güell is home to a number of interesting and unique features, including the iconic multicolored salamander and the use of broken tile shards in its design. The property was designed to blend in with its natural surroundings and features a number of organic structures. Casa Mila, Gaudi's last civil project, was a residential development that showcased his creative genius. The building, popularly known as La Pedrera, or Stone Quarry, was named for its quarry-like facade. Barcelona has a lot to offer beyond just Gaudi. The Gothic quarter is full of winding streets and ancient buildings, and is home to the Barcelona Cathedral, which is a neo-Gothic masterpiece. La Barceloneta Beach is also worth a visit. It's the most popular beach in the city and perfect for summer days spent outdoors or trying out water sports. Another attraction that should definitely be in your Barcelona itinerary is the Gaudi Museum, a great place to learn about the history of Barcelona. It is located approximately 147 kilometers north of the city. You should definitely visit the Parc de la Ciutadella, a beautiful green oasis in the middle of Barcelona. It is perfect for relaxing, walking, and picnicking. You can also go boating on the lake. Feel the excitement that comes with entering the second-largest football stadium in the world. Enter Camp Nou, home of FC Barcelona since its completion in 1957. Experience the thrill of visiting the magnificent stadium associated with the famous history of football in Spain. While you visit El Born, don't forget to head to the Picasso Museum and take a look at the extensive collection of artworks by Pablo Picasso that's housed here. And if you're looking to explore the city on foot, then head to Montjuic, a small hill within this Catalonian city. Here you can tour the Montjuic National Palace, as well as the Catalonian National Art Museum, which hosts the most important collections of Romanesque art in the world. When it comes to celebrations, Barcelona does it like no other. With festivals happening throughout the year, celebrate and enjoy the Catalonian spirit. From the Festival of Sant Jordi in April to the Festa Major de Gracia in August, to the eagerly awaited New Year's Eve celebrations, to the De Cajon Flamenco Festival that lasts over 3 months, there is something always happening during every season. In addition to its delicious food and unique architecture, Barcelona is also a great place to relax under the Mediterranean sun. Bogadell is a 600-meter-long beach, which was developed as part of the beautification project prior to the 1992 Olympics. Here you can learn how to windsurf or kitesurf, or even pick up a game of volleyball. The Barceloneta is the most popular beach in this Catalan city. If you're looking for peace and quiet, this is not the place for you. But here you can experience the city's finest food, play water sports, and hang out at the beachside huts. Marbella is a beach that offers peace and quiet, unlike the other crowded beaches. Here there are many ways to stay entertained, which is why it's known as the best for families and couples. Other than this, there are many more beaches that Barcelona has to offer. With a bit of history behind most of the buildings, Barcelona's neighborhood is the place to explore for the adventurer in you. Be it hidden art galleries, designer boutiques, or cocktail bars, there is something for everyone in the neighborhoods of Barcelona. Take a stroll through La Rambla, breathing in the scenic beauty of the lined elm trees. Explore the narrow web of streets around the Church of Santa Maria in El Born or Gracia, with tapas bars and cafes, and hip cocktail bars. If you're looking for a place to enjoy the beaches in Barcelona, you'll want to consider Poblino or Barceloneta. When it comes to sightseeing, there are 2 main options that stand out: Barri Gothic and Eixample. Both of these areas are close to major attractions such as the Sagrada Familia and have plenty of restaurants, bars, and nightclubs to keep you entertained. For some peace and quiet, check out hotels or guest houses in Gracia, a little away from the main city. And if you set out with your family, El Raval is the place for you. It's centrally located with good accessibility. Traveling around Barcelona is easy, thanks to several transportation options, including metro, buses, trains, trams, cable cars, etc. You can ride the metro to access around 160 stations and over 10 lines at an affordable price starting at €2.40. If you want a quick journey, you can always hail a taxi, although it's a little expensive compared to the other modes of transportation. There are plenty of delicious things to eat in Barcelona, whether you're looking for traditional Catalan dishes or more modern cuisine. There are plenty of tapas bars throughout the city where you can try a variety of small plates. And if you're looking for something heartier, there are also many restaurants serving up succulent seafood paella. When eating in Barcelona, do not overlook the local foods like croquettes, patata bravas, and many more. Whatever you're in the mood for, you'll be able to find it in Barcelona. Also, with the cost of living on the cheaper side, It is no surprise that costs are relatively low when it comes to food and entertainment. Visiting this Catalonian city does not necessarily have to tear one's pocket. With certain tips and tricks, you can definitely see the city on a budget. If you're looking to explore the history and culture of Catalonia and Spain, be sure to take advantage of the free entry to many museums on the first Sunday of each month in Barcelona. With so much to see and learn, this is a great opportunity to experience all that this vibrant city has to offer. Get your tickets online in advance to avoid long queues at the city's most popular attractions. By buying tickets online, you'll also save time and money. Shopping in the streets of Barcelona can be a great experience if you know how to haggle. There are many outdoor markets in Barcelona that offer excellent opportunities to find souvenirs and other items at bargain prices. If you're willing to negotiate, you can often get twice as much for your money. Looking for a place to stay in Barcelona that won't cost a fortune? Consider an apartment or Airbnb instead of a hotel. You can save money on food by cooking for yourself in the kitchen, and you may even make some new friends if you stay in a hostel. There is a significant decline in the number of tourists during the low seasons. As a result, hotels and renters often slash their rates to attract more tourists. Low season in Barcelona typically lasts from January to March. No visit to Barcelona is complete without exploring a little of the surrounding coastline. Catalonia has some of the most stunning beaches in the world, like the Altafulla Beach or Sa Tuna, and there are plenty of day trips you can take to enjoy them. Whether you want to relax on a secluded stretch of sand, try your hand at windsurfing, or explore a medieval monastery, there's something for everyone. And of course, no trip to the coast would be complete without sampling some of the local wine. There are plenty of vineyards like the Aller del Mas or Boca's Pinord within easy reach of Barcelona, so you can enjoy a few hours sipping on the region's finest. Explore Montserrat for its breathtaking natural beauty, just 1 hour northwest from Barcelona by train. Head to Girona to be away from the hustle and bustle of Barcelona. With a lot of attractions to offer, join a guided tour so you don't miss out on anything. And if theme parks and nerve-shredding rides is what you like, head to Port Aventura. When packing for your trip, be sure to include items that will keep you cool in the warm weather. Lightweight clothing such as shorts, dresses, and shirts made of natural fabrics like cotton are essential. Don't forget to pack a swimsuit so you can take advantage of all the time you'll spend at the beach. Other items to remember include chargers, a bottle of water, and a Catalan phrase book, and beware of pickpockets. Keep your passport at the hotel and only carry a copy with you when you go out to explore the city. If Barcelona is on your bucket list, now is the time to go. But with so many things to see and do, it can be tough to know where to start. That's where Headout comes in. We offer a comprehensive selection of itineraries, experiences, activities, and trips that showcase the best of what Barcelona has to offer. And if you want to read more and plan out your trip to Barcelona, head to our blog. We have pieces to help you plan, be it a 2-day trip or a 5-day trip. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. So what are you waiting for? Visit headout.com to plan out your perfect vacation today.